How to install Node.js on your PC or laptop. Open Chrome and search for Node.js.org. It'll open the official Node.js website. Right on the homepage, you'll see a Get Node.js button. Click it. Here, you can choose your operating system. And just beside that, select the Windows version that matches your system, like Windows 64-bit or ARM64. Under that, you'll see the Windows Installer .msi option. Click it and the download will start automatically. Once the download finishes, double-click the installer to begin setup. Click Next, accept the license agreement, and click Next again. You'll see the installation location, which by default is in Program Files. Leave it as it is unless you specifically want to change it. On the custom setup screen, you don't need to change anything, just keep everything default. Here, make sure the option to automatically install the necessary tools is checked, then click Next, and finally Install. Windows may ask for permission to make changes. Click Yes and let the installation complete. After it finishes, click Finish. To confirm Node.js is installed correctly, open the Windows search box, type cmd, and press Enter. Then type Node_-v and hit Enter. If you see a version number, Node.js has been successfully installed.